Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today let me introduce you YOTON 70.5-inch portable DVD player with 15.6 inches HD screen. 6-hour battery life, dual stereo speakers, region code free. That means you can play PAL and anti-fast devices or a data container on it with SD and USB compatible television beamer connectable devices. It's on the market, as you can see, in purple and in black. You can choose from these two colors which you prefer. The YOTON 15.6 inches DVD player has an HD screen with 1280 to 800 pixel resolution that reproduces the most authentic image quality of the DVDs. The screen can be folded by 180 degrees and can be swiveled horizontally by 270 degrees, so we can set the optimal viewing angle. It is for traveling, of course. With a car seat bag, which is sold separately, it is easy to attach to the headrest, and it is perfect entertainment companion for children on the go. The YOTON portable DVD player has a large, rechargeable 5000 mAh battery for up to 6 hours of playback time. That's enough for 2 up to 3 movies. Included are a car charger, AC 100 to 240 voltage, and a power adapter DC 9 up to 12 voltage. So you can recharge it on a power socket, or you can also recharge it into a cigarette lighter connector on your cars, on your vehicles. So no worries about the battery, whether at home or on the go, on the trips, no problem for a power source. For optimal performance, a first charge of 7 up to 8 hours is of course recommended. And this portable DVD player plays different disc formats: compact disc, CD, DVD, CDR, RW, DVD plus and minus R, RW, VCD, SVCD, except is a Blu-ray and a compact disc. It also reads files from the SD cards and the USB stick up to 32 GB. And it is compatible with formats such as VOB, AVI, MPEG, MP3, WMA, JPEG. We enjoy videos, books, and music, even without a DVD. And it's a table DVD player. The intuitive button design allows children or the elderly to use it independently. They can enjoy safe content without smartphones or tablets. The remote control with a fast up and repeat function is also ideal for people with reduced mobility, for example. And the appliance automatically remembers the interrupted point and continuous playback right there. The portable DVD player is region code free, so we can watch movies and content from all over the world. And this player allows us to adjust the parameters such as aspect ratio, brightness, contrast, and subtitles to relieve our eyes while watching. And this portable DVD player with dual stereo speakers and a 3.5mm headphone jack, so we can enjoy sound without disturbing others in public, or connect the speakers from an immersive cinema experience to it. No prob, it's up to you. This is the YOTON portable DVD player. Entertainment on the go. We bring our children fun wherever we want. Wide viewing angle of 270 degrees rotation and 180 degrees foldable function. captivity movie experience. The optimized screen makes the images even more realistic and vivid. And a large battery capacity brings us a lot of joy, up to 4 to 6 hours after full charge. And we have good external speakers. And additional, with a 3.5mm audio out, we can use this device to be connected to headphones, headset, and speakers. That's all and more brings us this here to our car, to our Voyage, to our home, the YOTON 70.5 inches portable DVD player with 15.6 inches HD screen, 6-hour battery life, and dual stereo speakers. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me, give me a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun.